Starting off the stream, baby. Check out this thing on. I have it. Just gonna let this play. I don't know. I haven't heard the rest of this. I just heard it start. I don't think it's good. Some of this AI generated music, Okay, that was way better, right? So this is like why it's good to do a 1 and 4 thing, right? So, all right, let's try about this one. Like it's for a video game or like the beginning of like Yoshi's Island, where he's like a baby. Mario's a baby. No, see, this one's also spooky. So these two are too spooky. This is a good one. All right, so now we're gonna play the whole thing. Here we go. Introducing Talk.Online, the Web3 ecosystem. I forgot my password too, so I lost all my money. Oh no. Oh no. Just mistyped it earlier. No, I don't think I want to pay $9 right now. Alright, check this out. We're logging into Hostinger. It's our favorite web hosting service. Baby. Gotta say, as much as I like Web3, this Web2 to Google stuff is pretty good. You can just sign into anything with Google. It's pretty good proof of humanhood. It's like Google just off-putting trust to humanhood, or to trust of humanhood to Google, which is not necessarily a bad idea. Good cost-saving strategy if you're a business. So kudos to those CTOs, CFOs who figured all that out. Today we're going to be on the girly testnet, and you can't even come by testnet funds for girly these days. It's people are using Ethereum that much, and so I think I have some. I have enough to get by. Obviously, Remix, our favorite IDE for web. The Remix is my main dev tool. We got these. Okay, we're gonna have to add the. This is how to add a contract verifier to Remix. Your boy is short on girly ETH. Wow. I didn't know I didn't have that much. I thought I had more than that. Whew. That's going to barely get me through deployments today. Okay. Oh, you know what? This isn't my entirely girly ETH existence. No. My entire girly ETH existence is on this one. And here we go. Gorley. 0.03. So rolling in it. Rolling in the girly. Oh no. Wait, where's the any chat? Of okay. So we all know how to deploy things in Remix. Smart contract code that is not in here. So I have this thing. Oh, you know what? I gotta update my GitHub because it's. Let me see something. I don't think I've actually updated the. Maybe I have. Maybe I have. Let's see. How many .sol files do I have in here? I've only got this one. So this is actually 3 files. And I'm just going to go ahead and replace everything in there. Looks like it wasn't the same exact code. That's fine. So, alright. Code compiles and everything. Problem being, we need to split this into 3 different contracts. So we're going to create a new file called token.sol. Another one called talk.tag.sol. And talkforum.sol, because that's what it's all about. Web3 community forums. Oops, talkforum.sol. So, first things first, we move the first contract into here. And put it in talk token. And get rid of this line. Alright. So that's all we have. That's all we need for this one. Oh, but we don't need this in here. Alright. That's cool. Okay, so now talk tag is gonna be, we go in here. Main thing is we go here like this, but we also have to go up here, grab this whole thing, talk tag dot sol. Alright, hopefully that compiles. It does not, because we have to import /talk token.sol. How does that work? They got me. Tried to help me. Ended up maybe not doing so. Okay. We can get rid of this, right? Okay. Okay, now we just have to get rid of, hang on. We gotta get rid of okay, so that's kind of a new message I want to have included in everything else, so I'll just do one of these. I don't know why it's got this double thing right here. Alright. And boom, boom. Alright. Okay. So now, last thing we need to do is go here. What is this? Talk tag dot sol. What are you talking about? This thing's fully good. Alright. So now we have 3 contracts, and so now what we're gonna do is put them on the Girly blockchain and connect them and start building using the code base that I already have. So we're going to just test out our process of contract verification first. Alright, so first thing we do, exit that out. Oops, talk token dot sol. Talk token dot sol is the first thing that we do. First one that we deploy, we press deploy. 30 cents in the network ETH. Now we have to go into hosting her. Girly. Constance.js. And we gotta remove all of this stuff. Token ABI. Tag ABI. Form ABI. Okay, cool. So we're starting somewhere. We copy this. We put it in here. It's the token address. And also grab the token ABI. No problemo. Okay. then now we just have to do the same thing with all these other things. But also we want to do this verification, right? Let me try to do this. Contract name. Talk.Online token. Contract address here. Was it that easy? It cannot be that easy. This is all the code. Wow. Did not really expect it to be that easy. Okay. Okay, well now let's do talk tag. Let's do that. Grab that ABI. Wait, we gotta grab this. Grab this. Deploy. Deploy on Gurley. Ethereum. Okay. We can go ahead and say tag address like that. Okay. Wait, no. Can't have repeats. Can't have repeats. Alright. Okay. But we do have this ABI. So we can put the ABI in here. And then, alright. So now that's all good. Now all we have to do is go right here. All right. And then go here. Wow, no viewers. It's kind of unexpected. I guess no one's watching right now, or something's wrong with my sound or something. Because no one's even clicked on it. Hard to tell what to make of that. I guess maybe people think it's just better in the morning. You know, people are got Christmas going on and stuff. So, okay, wait. So, go to this contract. It's not. What? So it didn't work this time? Is that the case? Why did it not work this time? Pending in queue. Okay, so I guess we don't know then one way or the other. Alright, well, we can definitely mad. I got beat oven to do this. Wow, that's a lot of code. I don't even know where this came from. Hmm. Hmm. So when you have constructor arguments in a Web3 forum, okay, so if you have constructor arguments, it makes it harder to verify. Makes it harder to verify. Oh. So they want the ABIs? I'm guessing they want the ABI of this contract. Maybe that's what that is. Just trying to verify my Solidity contract here. So maybe they just want this thing, but ABI, and so then you go here. We require that you also provide us the constructor arguments if the contract requires these used when deploying your Ethereum smart contract. We use this information before launches versus do maxings at the existing bytecodes. The constructor argument should be provided in ABI hex encoded form. See that? Okay. Okay, so ABI. Okay, wait. So they don't want the ABI. They want. Okay, so that's fine. You know, at the end of the day, the other two contracts don't have to be verified for purposes of the launch, because I'm gonna hopefully get a token audited, and basically I'll just do what I just did. Still not a single view. Interessante. All right. Guess I'm just not looking good today. People were not feeling charmed by my profile. Oh no. No, we want it. Country. Cinematic. Recompose. Okay. Okay, so. Alright, that's fine. Alright, and I guess now, what happens if I go to Talk.Online /girly/index.html? Tells me to switch to the girly testnet. That's reasonable. HTML 69. Girly.html 69. That is interesting. Index.html line 69. All right. Well, I don't know what that could be caused by. So, what I'm gonna do is hope the issue goes away. when I copy the code for the mainnet, now obviously there will be other stuff that needs to happen. But Gurley is fortunately the Gurley testnet is ENS compatible, so that does solve one of the issues. So now we go back to Gurley, and then we go index.html, and we can probably assume that there's going to be some issues with it, right? So let's just give it a quick look-see. Obviously, we want to copy the style. Let's just copy everything from mainnet for now, at least, as far as links. However, this one, we do need to do /constants.js. And we can grab, hopefully, all the helpers. Hopefully, the algorithms. Change this to 5 to the Gurley testnet. And okay, so the thing is, I have to get the Infura link for the Gurley link. Okay. Gurley. I don't know which is better. WebSocket is for if you're running like Node.js. HTTPS seems secure. If it has secure, it has to be secure. If it's HTTP, obviously not secure. HTTPS must be completely secure because it has the S. That's why I just I just put in my bank data on like websites, and it's not even a problem. I haven't gotten hacked once. Alrighty. Talk.Online. Alright. Ooh. Oh, invalid big number. Algo.js. New. Random. Okay, so I think this is a problem because I don't have any. Let me go into the. I'm going to this. I'm going to algo.js. I think right now there's just some code that's just bad, like completely shamelessly hard-coded. And so I'm just going to make one little adjustment to that hard-coded value. And one little implementation change. Okay, and now it works completely. Now it works exactly as it should. We're looking good, people. We're looking good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Goes again. Right. Alright, so we're doing okay for ourselves. We are doing okay for ourselves. Good old Talk.Online. Problem is I did want to make some changes. Oh, I got a text. Okay. Alrighty. So, we like our token code. What I want to change is I want to give the people who make posts a little bit more power. So this post, like what is a post? And you actually ought to be able to do something when you create a post, which is that you'll allow certain tags to be used on it. And you have a limit of the tags that you're allowed to be used on it. So if we're getting technical here, what we're doing is go in here and sorry about that. You go here. Oh wow, it makes the thing look bigger. So this is like a community, right? You don't want people to be able to put, like, because you can go, oh, tags, let me create a new tag, and it can be something bad. It could be like, it could be something bad. And you could have a no tag fee for it. Requirements for the use, right? So then people could just be like, oh, let me put something nasty under this guy's post that I don't like, even though it cost me gas. So you could, if your forum was having problems with, especially if there was like a low gas thing, bot just like putting an ad everywhere, you would want to be like, oh, I need there to be a high token requirement for the use of this tag, because then at least the person who is tagging me, at least he has the same like kind of vibe going on as me, right? You know, he's at least owns a token. You know, he's at least somewhat important within this community I'm participating in, according to the monetary value and structure outlined by math. So get a new thing to the struct. You'll say UN token or tag requirement. Okay. And does that still compile? It does. So to start, really, this would be 0, wouldn't it? Like this create post thing. Like you really wouldn't notice this. Like really, when you're like create a post, well, I need to have the content. I need to have what I'm replying to, and I need to have the requirement for my tag. The requirement, like, you can't do bad tags, you know. You can't do lame tags, right? So, tag requirement. And then it's going to give me a warning, I think. Uint. No, but the create post with tag. Reply ID. Okay. And then, yeah, there's one warning. It's like, yo, you're not using this. Well, I have news for you. I am adding require that tag requirement What are we trying to require about the tag requirement? We're trying to actually end tagging. All we have to just say is new post. This is very unexciting. New post dot tag Okay. But now it's in the tag posting where it's actually interesting. Require that post ID dot technically this is not what I want, but this should compile. And it does. All right, since there's 0 right here, require the. Okay, now we have to get tag contract dot tag details. Tag contract dot tag details. Or get tag details, I assume, right? Get tag details. 1. Get tag details 1. What is that? Tag contract. Has to be a type, mapping, or array. Tag contract dot tag details dot token requirement. Member tag details. Okay. All right. All right. Time to ask ChatGPT. ChatGPT. All right, so hopefully it can give me the answer. Seems you're working on a slate of trainer token requirement. Yeah, okay. You would first call get tag details. It's not saying I can do it very easily, which I'm skeptical about. Tag contract.owner of ID. Like, that's a function, right? Owner of, I guess owner of is kind of a how often do we call the tag contract here? Plenty of times. Okay, the ChatGPT nope, it's convinced that I'm limited by that, so let me look at everything that it's doing, right? Tag contract, this bullshit. Tag contract, dot owner of, that is exempt from tag fee, dot owner of. Okay, so is exempt from tag fee is something that I created. That's definitely not just native to that. Get, or excuse me, we have a get fee, or we have get token requirement. Okay. Dot get token requirement. Okay. So okay. Then all I need to do is do the tag contract. But do I need the ID, right? Because you need the, oh, no. Hey, that worked. Okay. All right, I guess we could test it. We could test the code, but we're not going to. So yeah, so the post ID is lower than. See, AI got spooky again. Nope. So it didn't happen quickly this time. But this is stuff we can upload to GitHub. Ha! It's 69 lines of code. Did that on accident, but probably a good decision. What the heck just happened? What, you're not allowed to paste into GitHub these days? I mean, what are we doing? Leave. I don't want that. I'm just gonna upload files. Okay. Yeah, and I'll just download these 3. Talk. Forum. Oh, yo, people in the chat. What's up? Oh, dude, we're up to 3. Views 11. Whoa. We got, how many people are in here right now? Dang. All right, y'all popped in. It's check this out. I was just, coding on my own, as I was gonna do anyway. Nobody pops in, and now I got 3 live. Wow. Guess YouTube was like, all right, he's been grinding hard. He's been working hard enough. Let's send him some people. But maybe you chose to be here. Maybe the YouTube algorithm made you be here against your free will. We'll never know. All right. Yeah, I've only got one screen today, so if I want to check comments, I have to look at YouTube. So, all right, what was I doing? Downloaded this, uploading stuff to GitHub. Boom, 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 boom. Added. Good to separate for verification. right. All right. Good thing those will be there later. All right. So. All right. Fine. We'll test it. We'll test it. What we got to do is first we have to integrate the contract. So easy enough. Easy enough. Get rid of this form. And then now we want to say tag okay, so now we know, hopefully, that this thing, I don't know why. There's no reason that it would have prevented it. There's really no reason to even think that the code that I have shouldn't work. I really just didn't. I didn't do anything actually major to change it, but it does have some breaking changes on some of the functions, but not all of them, just some of them. So since you're not necessarily even calling those functions at the initialization or the construction of the website, only for certain interactions, the error only happens for those certain interactions. So, all right, forum. Let's see. I am actually coding again myself. Hey, good on you, Inambi Okapalo. Where are you coming from, Inamdi? Where in the world is Inamdi Akpala today? What are we testing? I'm working on my Web3 app. So it's just a website. Hang on, let me show you this is what it looks like on mainnet. It's a social media website. But it's like Web3, so it's like token powered. Anyway, specifically, what I'm doing today is just integrating just a new feature, like a sort of a tokenomics design for the communication protocol within the forum. And yeah, I was just trying to integrate that. So that's what I'm doing. All right. So then, gotta go here. Constants, new form address right there. So this. Alrighty. I really shouldn't be saying that, right? If I am connected to the girly testnet, it should not be telling me to switch to the girly testnet. Huh. United Kingdom. What bundler are you using? Parcel, Velt, or my own bundler? I don't know what a bundler is or why I would be using one. So if you could, yeah. Let me just see. Let's see. Parcel. What are these things? Parcel, Vite. What are these things useful for? Why Vite? Before browsers had known. Okay, I'm probably using an ES module. Develops a no native method for authoring in modularized fashion. That's why we are all the concept of building, using tools with crawl, process, and concatenate our source modules into files that can run in the browser. Um, I would have to say I'm using an ES module, so that's I'm pretty sure that would be why I'm not using a bundler. I just code in vanilla JavaScript. So let's see, what is parcel? Parcel.js. Is it? Wait, I press X to doubt. 0 configuration build tool, and literally it's gonna be like, oh, here's some configuration. I mean, I think this is probably as simple as it can get, but like, this seems like you're configuring it. As an uneducated user of this software. All right. So, all right. So mystery is to cannot read. What is it? Index HTML 124? Does not like that. Why is that? 124 error element. Sign in with Web3. Error element. Okay, so my question is, why would it be saying, please switch your network to the girly testnet? If I'm connected to the girly testnet. Probably because I need to go to girly testnet here, which I am. So I don't know why it would be doing that. Seems like this is running though. So let me just say console.log. Oh, you know what? I think it's a browser specific issue. I think it's a excuse me, a browser extension specific issue. I think if I go into MetaMask and go here, it'll ask me to log in. But then I guess I'm already in the girly testnet here. Yeah. So it's just a browser extension specific issue. ES module are native to the web. I'm just looking at your file ending in .js, and you're importing other types of files such as .tok. Your file ending in JS. You're importing other types of files. I don't believe I have any .tok files. What is a .tok file? My file ending in .js, and you're importing other types of files such as .tok. I'm actually working on a .html. As a matter of fact, okay, so this constants.js, is there a... This is the only .js file, and I'm only have these JSONs and these strings. So yeah, I don't know what you're talking about. Okay, but now I need to go into, I think this is where it would get messy between using the same file for mainnet and testnet. So where's create post? Oh wait. So it seems like anytime there's a call of the create post, okay, which is just replies and posting, you would just add this thing. Let me copy this entire thing and then go into Gurley's special file. I'm just gonna new file, helpers.js, create post, and just say to do add parameter to function call. And I need to do the same thing at the other top of this thing. To do add parameter to function call. So, which in this case would be 0, or you could say document.getElementById.add event, so submit event e async e create a post. Oh, yeah, so by default you would want it to be 0. Yeah, I mean right now it's just the way the form is it's not that big of a deal. So we can probably keep it at 0. But for now, that's just for now. Now it's all on the middle to front end side to make sure people are using it, the form, the proper way. No longer a back end problem. We just need to go right here and finalize that. Helpers.js, and hopefully we can compile with no errors. All right. Yeah, that's expected. All right, so the thing works, continues to work, and we can create a post. Sup Sup, people? All right. Sorry, and you code for the Ethereum blockchain. Oh, yeah. Transaction confirmed. If that's the case, I should be able to refresh the page and it should say, so, sup people, there it is. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, I have successfully done the things that I set out to do today. So, Inambi, thank you for your company. I'm going to end the live stream. So, goodbye.